Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. Today I will start from mixture. So look at the book. What is mixture? A mixture is a substance that can be separated into two or more pure substances because mixture may be composed by either elements or compounds. That's why pure substances by a physical means such as a filtration, sublimation or distillation. मतलब क्या है? A pure substance is a substance that can be separated into two or more pure substances. I mean, mixture can be broken down into simpler substances by using some physical method like filtration, sublimation, or distillation. The pure substances that make up a mixture are called components of the mixture. I mean, those components may be combined together to form a pure substance. I mean, mixture, they are also known as components. Pure substances are rarely found on their own in nature. They usually mix to form mixtures. For example, air is mixture of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Ordinary water is a mixture of some calcium and magnesium salt with water along with some air dissolved in it. I mean normal water के अंदर कैल्शियम मैग्नीशियम सॉल्ट भी है और उसके साथ डिजॉल्व एयर भी है. सी वाटर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ सॉल्ट विथ वाटर. All soils, rocks, and minerals are mixtures of variety of substances. So plants and animals are made up of a mixture of very complicated substance. All things we eat, raw or cooked, मतलब जो चीज़ हम लोग खाते हैं चाहे वो raw हो या cooked हो, are a mixtures of large number of substances like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, salt, milk, blood are also mixtures. So students, you have to learn the example. Basically, milk and blood. Human blood is an example of mixture. Normally, blood is composed by different types of blood cells and blood plasma. That's why blood is mixture. Man has made many mixtures that are more useful than pure substances. Normally, mixtures are more useful than pure substances. For example, alloy are stronger than pure metals because pure substance means it's made of one kind of atoms. That's why alloy, like it is a mixture, it is more stronger than pure metals. An alloy is a material prepared by fusing a metal with other metal. Fusing मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ाना. Or non-metals followed by cooling. Thus, it is a mixture. For making jewelry, gold is alloyed with some copper and silver. Steel, an alloy of iron, carbon, and manganese, is a stronger than its components. Like cement, a mixture of compound of calcium and aluminium is more useful than its components. So normally cement is a mixture of calcium and aluminium. Medicine, soap, detergents, fertilizers, pesticides are also mixtures. Characteristics of mixtures, very important. A mixture has following characteristics. The component of mixture may be present in it any proportion. मतलब क्या है? I mean, in a mixture, the component may be in any ratio. Suppose a sugar solution may contain 1 spoonful per cup and another contain 2 spoonful per cup. Though both of them are sugar, water mixture. I mean, एक ग्लास पानी के अंदर तुम एक चम्मच शुगर डाल सकते हो. तुम्हारे मन चाहे तो 10 चम्मच भी शुगर डाल सकते हो. तो नॉर्मली द component quantities varies. Also, any amount of honey can be mixed with sugar. Water mixture to get a honey sugar water mixture. Again, air contains more carbon dioxide in cities than in countryside. I mean, नॉर्मली रूरल लाइफ के अंदर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का क्वांटिटीज कम होता है एयर के अंदर. तो सिटी लाइफ में क्या होगा? एयर इज मिक्सड अप विथ मोर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बिकॉज दे आर नॉर्मली अर्बन एरियाज. इन अर्बन एरियाज देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज. दैट्स व्हाई द लेवल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड more. Next, The component of a mixture coexist without chemically reacting with one another. इसका मतलब क्या है? The component of a mixture coexist without chemically reacting with another. मतलब नॉर्मली जो कंपोनेंट एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ के और मिक्सअप होके मिक्सचर बनाता है वो एक दूसरे के साथ केमिकल रिएक्टिंग नहीं करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाइड्रोजन मिक्सेस विथ ऑक्सीजन विदाउट रिएक्टिंग विथ इट. A chemical reaction takes place only when a mixture of two gases is kindled or when an electric spark is passed. I mean, normally the component react with each other when some catalyst is provided. Catalyst मतलब जो चीज़ normally chemical reaction को combine करने मतलब उसको happening करने के लिए ज़रूरत है, चाहे वो electric spark हो. Similarly, soil does not react with water when they mix to form mud. Next, the component of mixture retain their properties. I mean, in a mixture, normally the component can retain their properties. For example, a sugar solution will be sweet and watery, and a solution of salt will be always salty and watery. That's why the component of mixture always retain their own properties. Next, the components of a mixture can be separated by physical means. This point is very important. So student, be careful about this point. The component of mixture can be separated by physical means. Normally in case of elements and compounds, the component cannot be separated by using some physical means. Same way, the component of mixture is easily separated by using some physical means. For example, soil and water can be separated from muddy water by filtration, and sugar can be separated from water by distillation, about which you will soon learn. In fact, depending on the properties of the constituent, various methods are used to separate them. So normally, which kind of component are used to make a mixture? Depending upon the characters or properties of constituents, we apply different methods to separate the component from the mixture. So student, I hope all of you have understood what I have discussed today. So for today up to this portion.